footwork. And then, yung left straight.
Oh, that's right. There's a good right.
Ladies and gentlemen, the challenger, Charles Toronto! Fighting out of the red corner, wearing white with light blue, super bantamweight champion, here is Carl Thomas Martin!
Jabs.
Napaka-importante niya na yun.
Etong si Tondo is so he's looking to bounce back.
Is scheduled for 12 rounds.
Yes. With 5 knockouts under his belt.
This is a bad sign for Charles James Martin, who has a good footwork. That's a good. You can see that Carl James Martin is looking for angles and opening.
You said na you were looking for him to vary his attacks and go.
He's trying to tag ito na nga with jabs itong katawan. Ayun, natin din yung left straight. Samantala ngayon, ito nga si Charles Tondo.
Right on cue, Carl James Martin going downstairs and then upstairs. Giving Charles Tondo something to think contest.
Charles Tondo, composure as well, partner.
Event here at Battle of Manila.
He could already parry it. Somebody sasagutin niya with a check hook.
And
They are both southpaws.
yes. You know what?
It's similar to orthodox. So, mas gamay nila kung totoo. Here is that Carl James Martin has the speed, has the power, and has the much better lado sa 1-2 coming from Charles Tondo. Ang ginawa ni Carl James Martin, tinasa niya output.
In picking his spots. And that's a good right from James Martin.
James Martin.
And this is a promising sign abroad.
Not to sugarcoat it, but I'm seeing a calculated assassin here.
That's a great 1-2 from Martin. Down. Much of the round on his back foot. And bumabato ng 1-2. Etong si Carlton again begins his offense with his jabs. Pagkatapos. Napatras doon si Carl James Martin. Both boxers looking in great condition as we see Charles. Oh, that's right. There's a good right from Carl James Martin. And ito na hindi suportado ng mga taga-Maynila.
But still, he's living up to the Tondo name.
Tondo
Asserted himself in the fight. But that's a
Tondo of Tanzania. Martin with still very patient. Ito po si Carl James Martin with his offense.
It's only a 1-2, but it's effective.
Ito si Carl James Martin.
That ito nga si Martin needs to at least vary his shots. The shots na yan. It was helpful in those last.
You know, early on in that fight against Ronnie Baldonado.
Correct.
He got frustrated. He got reckless at some point. And that resulted to that second round.
It's just he got shocked there.
Yeah, a right hand from Tondo. And Tondo is 23 years old. Martin and Tondo. And they are also both southpaws. Martin, that's another good body shot. Last 10 seconds of this round. Charles Tondo.
Inviting.
Yes. Well, be careful what you wish for. As partisan as they may be, they appreciate that. Carl James Martin's offense there. He's certainly in a fight against the Filipino champion. He focused. You can see that look in his eyes. Oh, that's a good...
Walking. Ito nga si Charles Tondo. He plasters another left strike.
To find his moments dito sa round number 5 round. Let's see who can have the last say. This round number 5.
Nice right.
And I think that
Lahat ng significant punches. The corner of Carl James Martin instructing on his back foot.
but that is what Charleston Martin on the back pedal. Ang ating dalawang boksingero.
That's a good 1-2. Charleston though felt it. Carl James Martin is back in the game.
Left hook, righty. Another shot to the body. Tinatargetan ni Martin.
Here comes Martin from the first round.
From the very first round, right.
Martin knows that's the vulnerability. Martin
And there
goes
you
for
go.
the kill.
He has cleared.
Martin has 15 seconds left. Less than 15 seconds. A dominant.
Let's see if Charleston though had double jab.
Or James Martin on the attack right now to back the Tanzanian.
Isip na siya kung i-risk ba niya
Oh,
yung
that's the
kanyang
right
opensa.
hook. Smart.
Getting on that receiving end.
Kailangan bumato ni Charles Tondo to avoid.
But Tondo now seems to be very wary. Natikman na niya dun sa round number 6.
Carl James Martin has yet to.
And here he is again on the ropes.
Ayun, medyo bumato but that's a bit Carl James Martin. If he hurts the body, the head will fall.
Right. And that's a good left straight from James.
Back.
Charles Tondo here. Of course, that jab, if he continues to land that, will keep Carl James Martin. That's a solid left.
Martin trying to go down again.
And fewer of those body shots from Carl James Martin.
That's a good uppercut.
Of round number 8.
This is a more tactical round that we're seeing, but now
Round.
ito ng round number 9. Martin with
Bigyan ng pag-iisipan nitong si Carl James Martin sa round number 9. I think he's determined.
he has a lot of time.
Tondo proving to be
That's a good double jab straight coming
tough.
from Carl James Martin. Oh, that's straight left hand from Carl James Martin.
Yep. 1-2. We are heading into the final 20 seconds of round 9. Last 10 seconds of the round. Ito na naman si Carl Martin.
Going back to the body again. By a hair lang yung distansya nila.
Martin going back to the body. Ito namang si Tondo going back to his jabs. It somehow stops etong si Martin on his tracks. It misses with the haymaker there. He lands an uppercut.
Kung mapapansin mo, partner, napaka-loyal ni Carl James Martin. Sir,
Bumaba yung depensa nitong si Charles Tondo.
mukhang naramdaman ni Charles Tondo yung mga flurry of body shots na yun. Yes,
Yung kanyang mga tama sa ulo ni Charles Tondo. Finding a way to throw some punches. Round number 11 is underway. Ito na naman yung magandang
nasaktan doon si Charles Tondo.
Ayun na, iniinda niya. Carl James Martin doing wonderful things dito po sa round number 11. Left straight from Martin.
Kung tinatanong nyo kung may jet lag.
That's a good one too from Martin. An uppercut from the Filipino champ,
Guard.
mouth guard. Oh! Carl James Martin laban kay Charles. We have seen more of his body work. Talagang gustong-gusto niyang bigyan ng ng maganda.
Mouth guard. At least for Charles Tondo to go 12 rounds.
Against
A good check right hook.
eto na. Mukhang uling bahagi na po ng round number 12. Outburst here. And he is doing so. Looking for the finish in the dying seconds.
The Wonder Boy, Thomas Martin!
Partner,